We already don't have a work-life balance. Corporates don't allow that. Have businesses, have startups. See, only the influencers are having successful morning routines. We are not able to have successful morning routines. Why does every morning routine feel like a religion? Like if you have not woken up at 5 a.m., journaled, drank matcha, then you have failed at life.
Okay, firstly matcha. Yeah, actually, like my morning routine is I pray to God that my Wi-Fi connects before my 9:30 call.
So true.
So hi, this is Ashika.
Hi, this is Ayushi. Welcome to Said and Done podcast.
This is a podcast where clarity, chaos and career collide.
We work 9 to 5, but our minds don't shut after.
So from personality growth to societal shifts, we think deeply, we talk freely, and we always ask why. So now talking about the morning routines,
Yeah.
I really want to question matcha.
So, I don't know, matcha has created so much hype that I have not tried it because I know that I'll ultimately hate it. So, and I want to,
Good.
I don't want to, I don't know.
It's
it looks
good
so
you did
pretty,
not try.
so I would just keep it for the aesthetics because I don't want to ruin it for myself.
So the other day I went to a cafe to try mango matcha, and apparently it's good compared to the normal matcha.
That's what everybody is saying, and I feel that it's the mango and not the matcha in it.
It is the matcha and it tastes so bad. I'm sorry for everyone who loves matcha, but it
I
tastes
still
very
feel
bad.
that not anyone exactly like loves matcha, but it's for the Instagram.
It's aesthetics.
It is the aesthetics,
It's
and I
content
think that it
creation.
is the making process is very therapeutic.
Yeah,
That you have to whisk it and drink it with
so-
particular types of milk and take out the powder in that fancy spoon, golden spoon, and then keep it. I think that is the therapy.
Aesthetic and therapy.
Yeah.
And also, so I have seen this. So when you pour the liquid into the matcha,
It
the
looks very nice.
Yeah, so that's actually therapeutic. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
true.
You're right. Morning routines currently is less about productivity and self-care, and it's more about Instagram aesthetics. So like smoothie bowls, candles, fancy planners.
Acai bowls.
Yeah. So
True.
yeah.
So exactly, if your morning routine costs more than your rent, I think it's not discipline, it's capitalism.
Capitalism. Oh God. So true.
Actually, देख ना matcha खरीदो उसका इतना पैसा, the spoons you take, and then उसके साथ में you will have to take a nice glass ताकि वो और aesthetic
And you
लगे.
have to shoot the video.
You have to shoot the video. खड़े रहो, वापस करो, देखो अच्छा लग रहा है या नहीं, lighting सही है या नहीं. It's more about, see, if you are getting up, doing थोड़ा सा yoga, drinking your oil pulling and all, if you're doing all of those things, I understand that.
Yeah, but again, that is like, it does not necessarily have to be at 5 a.m.
No,
Imagine
it does not.
you are giving a 5 a.m. routine to somebody who has just binge watched and slept at 2 a.m. and getting up at 5 a.m. So somebody maybe
It's not
someone maybe
transformation,
needs
it's a torture.
11 a.m. routine and not a 5 a.m. routine.
True.
And the guilt trip is real, that if you have not woken up at 5 and if you have not done certain things and one day if you miss, so for example,
true.
if you start, like I had started once that, I'll wake up at 6, I'll go to like workout sessions and like drink not matcha but like a good bowl of smoothie or some shakes or something, and if I have missed maybe one day, the amount of guilt that drowned me into it is that am I just a lazy potato who will never ever succeed at these fancy morning routines?
My 5 a.m. is life changing, but I just change sides and then again go to sleep.
That's the best kind of routine.
I know. But yeah, you can do your workout things, but it does not necessarily have to be at 5 a.m. You can wake up at, let's say, 7 if you're going to office at 9:30. Do your yoga, or you can come back and बाद में भी तो रात को भी तो you can go to the gym or do Zumba or do whatever. मेरे को तो रात को अच्छा लगता है, पता है, थक हार के आओ, then play some songs. Exactly. Play some songs and उस पे dance करो, like Zumba workout, and then we are all sweaty, go take a shower and then go to sleep. It's so refreshing.
That
and
is
नींद
much
भी
more,
इतनी अच्छी
yeah.
आती है उससे. I tell you.
Let's be real that my morning routine when I'm living alone in Mumbai, right? So it's waking up and then packing your tiffin, like obviously after getting freshened up,
True.
packing your tiffin and then just make sure that I make it on time for my 10:30 a.m. team huddle basically.
True. My morning routines are getting up. So I obviously do like to thoda sa sit with myself. So I wake up, I sit with myself. Maybe I'll go to the terrace because I have all these plants in my terrace and I can see the mountain from my house. So maybe I'll go there, I'll sit for a while and then फिर 9:30 call के लिए Wi-Fi connect करो, ये करो, वो करो. That's just my morning routine and it's also फास्ट पेस्ड कि वो 5 मिनट्स का काम भी मुझे ऐसे लगता है आई जस्ट डू ताकि मैं और 5 मिनट सो सकूं.
And I feel that, see, I have tried the elaborate morning routines, but I feel more than peace, it gives me that anxiety that I have to still make it on time
Haan.
to leave my home, right?
true.
So it's not that I'm doing it with a very peaceful mind, that I'm reading a book for maybe 30 minutes, then working out for maybe the 1 hour. Then I'll have to wake up at 4 a.m.
True.
Right? So it is much more peaceful and much more relaxing if I do it after my
Exactly.
office, because I don't have that thing in mind that I have to leave also.
Exactly. So what I feel is कि पता है especially मुंबई के ट्रैफिक में if you have to be somewhere at 10 or let's say 10:30 and reading your book or journaling
Yeah.
or doing yoga and everything, it's all थोड़ा सा ना वो हाँ if you love that then it's actually a very good thing.
Yeah.
But I think ये सब ना रात को करो या तब करो ना तो it should not be a thing कि ये सब मॉर्निंग में ही होगा. Like I have my skin care routine but वो मैंने रात का रखा है.
हाँ.
मैं सुबह उठ के खाली मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया, सनस्क्रीन लगाया, निकल के भाग गए. That's it. That's what I do. रात को I'll brush my teeth properly. I'll take my time, listen to some music, read some books. That is my night routine.
Exactly.
It's not my morning routine.
So I think everybody should have a routine and some
Exactly,
discipline,
true.
but it does not. I feel morning routines are a scam.
हाँ.
Why do you have to stick to one period of the day and otherwise you're just not
Exactly.
doing it right?
Exactly.
So that is the wrong kind of perception that people are,
Dwelling
Dwelling
into.
on, हाँ.
True. So 12 बजे अगर if you have to be somewhere, okay, I'm okay with doing all of those things because nice. No, सुबह 4 बजे उठ के कौन करता है यार?
I'll rather keep it for the weekends, but no, weekends I have to sleep.
Sleep over anything.
Yeah, sleep is also self-help,
हाँ,
self-care.
obviously.
You need to have
Beauty
7
sleep,
to
bro.
yeah, but you
8
need to
hours.
have like 7 to 8 hours of sleep. So
तो your body will function तभी, नहीं तो it will not function. पता है वो वाला एक चीज. So this is also again for night. वो मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा चेंज करना चाहिए हम लोग को. But then again वो ऐसे होता है ना कि sleep by 10, wake up by 4.
nobody sleeps at 10.
कैसे सोगे तुम? ऑफिस से ही 9 बजे आते हो, तुम
हाँ,
कैसे
मतलब,
सोगे?
No.
And oh, you know this? Recently I saw this. It's थोड़ा सा off topic, sorry, but one value addition यहाँ पे people are telling that महाराष्ट्र में अभी वर्किंग आवर्स 10 आवर्स कर देंगे. अब तक 9 to 5 वो 8 आवर्स था एंड 1 आवर मे बी फॉर द लंच ब्रेक, तो 9 to 6 अब वो 10 वर्किंग आवर्स बनाना है उनको.
Are they also revising the salary structures?
I hope so. If they're doing that, still I have a problem. No, I want my work-life balance. What is this?
See, I feel they're just officializing it, because even if they did not, like, we used to work 10-11 hours a
But then
day,
don't
but
you think-
this is just officializing of what we are already doing. We already don't have a work-life balance. Corporates don't allow that. Have businesses, have startups. See, only the influencers are having successful morning routines. We are not able to have successful morning routines. I think I just had a mini rant session.
But I think, you know what? Even if they are officializing कि 10 घंटा you have to work, then तुझे नहीं लगता हमें 12 घंटा काम करना पड़ेगा? Because 10 घंटा तो हमें वो उतना टाइम ऑफिस में रहना पड़ेगा. Then जाना आना, the traveling time would be different. Don't you think?
We're just closer to the end.
We are.
end on the corporate culture. But no, it's still paying my rent, so nothing bad against it. Okay. So morning routine or not, if you are waking up on time, brushing your teeth, making it on time at your work, you're winning. And if your morning routine works with Netflix and bread pakora, also amazing.
Yeah, because the real flex isn't a perfect morning routine. It's a routine that doesn't make you hate your life.
Very true.
So guys, if you have a morning routine, let us know what morning routine you have. And if you feel that morning routine is the biggest scam ever, share it with your friends. Let us know what you feel about this, whether you're a morning person or whether you're a night person, or you like to do yoga, or you're a Netflix and bread pakoda kind of person. Let us know that too.
In the comment section, let us know what are some other morning routine scams that is on in the internet.
Also, if you're a matcha lover or not. I am not a matcha lover. Sorry to all the matcha lovers, but I am not one matcha lover. Okay.
I am a virtual hater of matcha.
So let's catch you on the next episode of Said and Done. Bye.